Parts of Delhi-NCR witnessed rainfall along with strong winds on Monday night. Trees were uprooted in some parts of the capital due to strong winds. The sudden rains brought relief to Delhiites, bringing down the temperature in the capital. The India Meteorological Department has said parts of Delhi and adjoining areas would see light rain in the next 2 hours. The maximum and minimum temperature in the city was recorded at 38.2 degrees Celsius and 25.2 degrees Celsius, both 2 notches below the season's average, it said. The relative humidity was recorded at 65%. The air quality index in the national capital was recorded at 103 this morning, according to Central Pollution Control Board data. The IMD said that hailstorm and precipitation is likely over and nearby few places of Delhi, Bagpat, Noida, Greater Noida during next 1 hour. Rain and thunder showers are expected on Tuesday and Wednesday as well, according to the IMD. News Desk.